Video calls are the new reality, whether you're working from home or you're back in the office. Here are the top 6 lighting setups to look great on any video call. Number 1, the Anywhere, Anytime video call light. The video conference lighting kit mounts to your computer, tablet, or laptop and helps you look well lit on any video call. Because the light mounts right onto your device, it gives off a very even lighting effect and has more than enough power to light you up on your video call. And the small form factor makes it very easy to carry in your bag or purse. And here's what it looks like. Number 2, the tabletop video call light. The broadcast lighting kit is my favorite sub $100 light, and here's why. Not only is the light bigger, allowing you for more brightness and longer battery life, but there are multiple mounting options to find the best ways to mount it to your workspace. You can use it on the tabletop stand like so, or you can use the included suction cup mount to mount it to your computer. It really depends on where you're working and how you want to mount your lighting. My favorite position for the broadcast lighting kit is straight above my computer's webcam, facing down at me at a 45-degree angle with the color temperature at a 5,000 Kelvin. And here's what it looks like. Number 3, the I have glasses lighting setup. We've all been there. You're prepping for that big video call, you have your notes laid out, you put your glasses or your blue blockers on just to see big glares where your eyeballs used to be. Trust me, we get it. And there is hope. You too can be perfectly lit on video calls without a massive glare on your glasses, and here's how. Grab 2 broadcast lighting kits and place them on the side of your webcams at about a 45-degree angle. Raise them all the way up and shine them down on you at a 45-degree angle. This way, all the glares are outside of the frame of your glasses and you can see through straight to your webcam. Number 4, the Ready for Anything lighting solution. Having a broadcast lighting kit and a video conference lighting kit in your bag is a for sure way to shine on any video call. You can use them together for a powerful 2-light video call kit, or use them individually based on your video call needs for that day. To use them together, place your broadcast lighting kit off to the side and place your video conference lighting kit on your computer to fill in any shadows and give you that nice catch light in your eyes. Number 5, the phone-only video caller. If you take video calls mainly on your smartphone, the mobile creator kit will give you everything you need. The stand itself allows you to keep your phone secure at eye level, and it allows you to go from portrait to landscape, depending on what kind of video call you're on. There's also 2 mounting options on the side where you can mount 1 light, 2 lights, a light and a mic, or anything you need for your video call. And here's what it looks like. Number 6, the Hollywood light. Ring lights are widely popular and for a good reason. They reduce facial imperfections and give a nice soft lighting effect onto the subject. Using a ring light on your video calls is a for sure way to snag a few compliments from your coworkers and to spark some non-weather small talk. Our ring light can be completely wireless and will run for over an hour on full brightness, or you can leave it plugged into an outlet if you need it for longer durations and you can run it all day. And here is what it looks like. Well, there you have it, 6 different lighting setups for your video calls. Head to lumecube.com to shop today.